I'm Pratyusha. Today I'm going to tell you how to make online quiz through mobile. First, click on the Chrome icon. In the search box, type the URL address, that is https://docs.google.com/form/. Then click on right arrow. You can see this type of interface. On the top right corner, you can see 3 dots. Click on that. Scroll down. You will get an option desktop site. Select that option. Yeah, this is the desktop view. Scroll it down. You can see the different forms made by me. So now we are going to make a fresh form or fresh quiz paper. So click on blank. Before typing the questions, we have to make settings for this form. So click on the settings icon. General settings are collect email addresses. If you want to collect children's email address, select this option. If not, do not select it. Next, limit to 1 response. If you select this option, the child will be able to attempt the question only once. So I'm going to select this option. Next is presentation. I'm not going to make any settings here. The third is quizzes. This setting is very important. If you select this option, only then this form is turned into a quiz. So this option is very important. Now I'm selecting the option, make this a quiz. Yeah, now this form is turned into a quiz paper. Click on save. Yeah, now the settings are done. First we shall give the title to the quiz. Click on this untitled form at the top left corner. Give a title to it. I have given a name, plants. Yeah, and here you can see a small box, form description. I am going to describe it as lip test. In this way, give a title and description to your quiz. Here you can see the first question, untitled question. We must know the name and roll number of the child. So the first question would be name. Yeah, name is a short answer, but here you can see the multiple choice. So click on that multiple choice. You can see these options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. So name would be a short answer, so I'm selecting short answer. Yeah, name is compulsory, so select the option required. Yeah, now we need roll number also. To add roll number, click on this plus symbol. Yeah, roll number would be a short answer, and this is also mandatory, so select the option required. So name and roll number, we have selected them as required. If the child forgets to enter these two, the child won't be able to submit the quiz. Now we are going to add questions. For this, click on plus symbol. Yeah, the first question is, what do plants need? Yeah, this is the question. I'm going to add options. Click on option 1, water. For more options, click on add other, television, and the third option is teacher. Yeah, in this way I have prepared a question and I have given 3 options. Now I have to make key for this. So at the bottom you can see answer key. Click on that. how many marks you want to award for this question. I'm going to give 1 mark for this question. Then what is the right answer? You have to select that. What is the right answer? I have selected it. Then click on done. Yes, in this way the first question is prepared. By clicking on plus symbol, you can add one more question. Now here you can see some options. Plus indicates you can add one more question using that option. Below that you can see insert option. Using this option you can insert one more Google form in this. So I'm going back. This insert option helps you to insert one more Google form in the present form. The third option is text. The fourth option is picture. Insert picture. You can insert any picture in the question. Directly you can upload it from internet. If you click on camera, you can directly click a picture and insert the picture. And here you can see the option photos. From your gallery you can upload photos, and from your Google Drive also you can upload pictures. Next option is video. Here you can see the video icon. Click on that. If you want to insert any video, you have to give the YouTube address, video address. If not, you have to type the video URL address. Now I'm going back. The last option is section. So in one question paper we may have different sections. So this option helps us to make sections. Click on that. Yeah, here you can see one more section is made. So this is the second section. Total number of sections in this form are 2. Second section. So now the question paper is done. I want to send it to children. How should I send? On the top you can see the symbol send. Click on that. The first option is email. I can send it to my mail. Yeah, here you can see the address. Select that and then click on send. This is one method to send the paper. The second is click on send. Select the second option, link. You can see a very big link. So shorten it. Click the option shorten URL. Yeah, the URL is made short. Then copy. Now the URL is copied. You can go to WhatsApp and paste this URL so that the form may be shared. Next, if your children have attempted the quiz, how to get the marks? Go back. Next to questions, you can see responses. Click on responses. Here you can see Excel symbol. Click on that. Create a new spreadsheet. Create. Yeah, no one has attempted, so it is showing empty. If your children have attempted, this Excel will be filled automatically. Thank you for watching the video.